What's going on, YouTube? That's what we're doing today. It's 2020 A-Spec TLX, lowered on some Tane Flex Z's. Got a little cute little roof spoiler over there. But today, this is what we have in the works. So stay tuned, continue watching the video for how we installed it. So the lip comes in 3 pieces. They provide 4 hex bolts to mount these 3 pieces together. Behind the side valances are threaded nuts inside these holes, like so. Put those 3 together, and then they have these stock markings for you to drill a hole through from the bottom, as they already did, so you can place these bolts and mount it to your bumper. So the bolts up, they provide washers. It's a 4mm Allen bolt. Now I just gotta put this side onto this side. It's like Legos. Look at that. Alright, so the front lip is now in 1 piece. It's kind of good thing it's in 3 pieces, because this bumper has this little gap right here. Just put it in 1 piece, slap it on, mock it up, and then we'll start drilling. That's sick. So it's cool. You don't need to take off the front bumper because there's space right here to place the nut and bolts. It's all jacked up, so I have room to drill. So these 4 holes in the center of the splitter will be replacing the placement of these clips on the bottom of this grill. So I'm gonna take these clips off, and that's where we'll be drilling holes. It's on the floor.
Yeah. Alright, is that a stop one?
All these bolt holes right here, all these holes line up with that 10mm bolt, this 10mm clip, this 10mm bolt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna reuse these bolts instead of using the provided screws that they gave, which are a lot stronger. So these are the pre-existing 10mm bolts. So I'm gonna drill that hole bigger, so that way this shoulder can mount through and rest against the bumper. Big enough.
What are you doing?
Oh, the kids are out.
Fixing my car.
So I'm gonna stick it through. Oops. See? So the shoulder fits nice and snug, and this should really support it. Alright, so I ended up taking off the middle piece just so I can easily mock it up by hand. The holes that they provided did not fully line up, but it's all good, you know, it's custom. So I used a pre-existing 10mm bolt right here. Right here, there's more of a surface area on the shoulder, so there should be more support. And yeah, that's sick.
Dude, you don't even need to put the middle.
Not fully done yet, but left all the bolts loose so we can line up these 2. So we get these to flush right here on both sides. Just gotta put the 4 bolts right here to secure it to the bumper. But overall, it's pretty secure already. That's sick. Okay, so these are the provided hardware. Didn't come with a nut, so I had to provide my own. They're both 11mm. Get your own 10mm, whatever you want to make it easy, but it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So now the gap is completely flush. It's gone. There's 4 bolts. You can kind of see it right here, but you know, no one's gonna see that. It's the hardware they provided. Looks good. nice and secure. Let's lower the car down and see how it sits. Woo! Woo! Owner James right there. Alright, so front lip's done. And wrap it up. Gotta fix the uncle's bumper now. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you next time. Let me do a quick walk around the car before we go.